Hi everyone, in this video I am going to present a topic on structure of nephron. Okay, here nephron is a functional unit of a kidney. Okay, it will filter the waste products and excess fluid from the body. Okay, this nephron consists of two main components, renal corpuscle and renal tubule. Okay, renal corpuscles is made up of glomerulus and Bowman's capsule. Then renal tubule consists of four segments: proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, distal convoluted tubule, and collecting duct. Okay, first thing is renal corpuscle. It consists of a glomerulus, isn't it? This glomerulus is a network of tiny blood vessels. This one will filters the blood. Okay, next thing is Bowman's capsule. It is also called as glomerular capsule that surrounds the glomerulus and it will collects the filtrate. Okay, then next one is proximal convoluted tubule. Okay, this is the first segment in the renal tubule. It will reabsorb the 65% of filtered fluid. Okay, then it will also absorb the essential nutrients such as glucose, amino acids and ions back into the bloodstream. Okay, then next topic is loop of Henle. Loop of Henle is a U-shaped structure that consists of a descending limb and an ascending limb. Okay, it also plays a major role in formation of concentrated urine by maintaining a high solute concentration on the medulla. Okay, then distal convoluted tubule. Okay, this is a final segment of a renal tubule. It is prior to collecting duct. Okay, it is responsible for further reabsorption of ions such as sodium and chloride and secretion of hydrogen and potassium ions. Okay, the next part is collecting duct. This collecting duct will receive fluid from several nephrons and it is responsible for the final concentration of urine. Okay, it also reabsorbs sodium chloride ions and it will secrete potassium ions. Okay, the next concept is mechanism of urine formation. Okay, the process of urine formation takes place in the kidney. This kidney will filter waste products from the blood and excrete them as a urine. Okay, the kidney will filter about 180 liters of blood every day. Okay, and from this they produce approximately 1 to 2 liters of urine per day. Okay, the mechanism of urine formation involves three processes, namely filtration, reabsorption and secretion. Okay, then first one is filtration. Here the blood is filtered in the glomeruli. The pressure of the blood forces the water, ions and small molecules like urea, uric acid and creatinine through the glomerular capillaries. Okay, then it will forces it to the Bowman's capsule. Okay, this Bowman's capsule is the one that surrounds the glomerulus. Okay, this process is known as filtration. Okay, and the fluid that is collected in the Bowman's capsule is called as glomerular filtrate. Okay, the next process is reabsorption. The second step in urine formation is a reabsorption, where most of the filtrate is reabsorbed back into the bloodstream. Okay, the tubule of the nephrons are absorb important substance such as glucose, amino acid and ions from the filtrate and it will return back to the blood. Okay, the tubular cells also reabsorbs the water again. This will help us to maintain the body's fluid balance. Okay, by the time the filtrate reaches the end of the nephron in the collecting duct, most of the water and important substances have been reabsorbed back into the bloodstream. Okay, then next process is secretion. The third step in the urine formation is secretion, where the substances were not filtered during the glomerular filtration process or added to the urine. These substances include drugs, hydrogen ions, creatinine, and are secreted from the blood into the tubules of the nephron. Okay, they are then excreted into the urine as it passes through the collecting duct. Okay, once the urine is formed, it travels through the ureter and into the bladder then it will be stored until it is eliminated through the urethra during urination. Okay, this is a overall picture of a nephron. Okay, here it consists of glomerulus that will filter small solute from the blood. Okay, then proximal convoluted tubule will reabsorb ions, water and nutrients. Then then descending loop of Henle is there. Okay, this one will allow water to pass from the filtrate into the interstitial fluid. Then distal tubule is that will selectively secrete and absorb the different ions to maintain blood pH and electrolyte balance. Then collecting duct, this one will reabsorb solutes and waste from the filtrate. Okay, thank you all.